Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Arts Nails Nailology by Dipannita, and this is Dipannita, and today I am going to share yet another creative Indian festival themed nail art, and this is on Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi, which is on this Sunday, and it celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. So let's see how we can do this. So this is the base color that I am using, and I have reviewed it in my Instagram as well. So let's begin by drawing the boundary of the Rakhi, and for that I am using a felt pen. You can also use a gel pen for this purpose, and using a pen will help you make precise designs. And then I'm going to fill this design up using some glittery or shimmery colors to make this nail art look glamorous. And then finally, after I have filled up with colors, I am going to border the design with black nail paint, and for that I am using a thin nail art brush. You can also use this thin brush to fill up the design, and if you want to know about nail art brushes, the review and how to use them, then you can check out this video right here in the card. Now comes my favorite part. I'm going to add some bling to this nail art. So for that I am first using a clear top coat as the sticking material, and on that I am going to put this little golden bead to make the center of the Rakhi look a little bit glammed up. And if you're wondering you do not want to do Rakhi nail art, then you can also use the similar design for doing a Rangoli nail art. Now I am drawing the strings of the Rakhi using red nail paint, and to make this nail art even more funkier, I am going to use real strings to make the Rakhi strings on the pointer and the pinky fingers. And for the sticking base, I am applying a layer of top coat on which I am going to stick the real strings. Now cut off the excess string and add another layer of top coat to seal your design, and now your design is complete. So let me know in the comments how you found it. This one is very unique for me because this is the first time I am doing Rakhi nail art. And yeah, I wish you a very happy Rakhi. Enjoy with your siblings, and do like this video and share this with friends, and I will see you next week again with a new video. And in the meantime, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook for different types of nail art, swatches and reviews. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe. Bye.